good afternoon po everyone. Today we will going to tackle about logical connectives. But before that, let us define first yung mga important words dito po. For this statement, it is defined as declarative sentence that is either true or false but not both simultaneously. A compound statement may be formed by combining two or more statements. Connectives such as and, or, not, and if, then can be used in forming compound statements. Alright, now for the logical connectives, we have here statements, connectives, symbolic forms, and types of statement. So, as you can see there, may mga letters. Pwede naman pong gumamit ng mga ibang letters po. Baka malito po kayo pagdating sa mga ibang sentence. Alright, for the statements, we have here not P, connectives, nagko-connect daw sa kanya, not. Symbolic forms, mapapansin nyo po siyang pa-curve na parang negative, P, and it also called negation. Next, P and Q, connectives, and P. So, mapapansin nyo, parang baliktad yung symbol na letter V, Q. Ang tawag naman sa kanila ay conjunction. Next po, P or Q, or P, yan, may V, pero yan ay symbol. Q, ang tawag dyan ay disjunction. If P, then Q, the connectives, if, then, the symbolic forms, P, mayroon po siyang arrow going to the other statement. Ang tawag dyan ay conditional. Next po, P, if and only if, Q, if and only if, ayan po yung symbols. May arrowheads both sides. So, we have P, ayan po, both arrow sa arrowhead sa both sides niya. Statement, by conditional ang tawag sa kanya. Alright, so here the symbols. Ayan po, mapapansin niyo po yung conjunction and disjunction or negation, not. And for the if, then, ayan po, and by conditional. Alright, for the examples here, the sun is shining and the birds are singing. So the connective there is and. Next, for the negation, it is not raining. So the connective word there is not. For the disjunction here, I will eat pizza or pasta for dinner. So the connective there is or. If it rains, then I will stay inside. So as you can see there, meron po siyang if, then. By conditional, I will go to the beach if and only if it is sunny. Alright? Now, for the explanation of those examples, meron pong nakalagay po dyan. Pwede naman nyo po siyang basahin para mas maintindihan po. Alright? Now, for the another examples, convert the following connectives to compound statements. So, we have here statements. Let P, today is Friday. Let Q be, it is raining. Let R be, I am going to watch a movie. And let S be, I am not going to the basketball game. Give a simple verbal sentence which describe each of the following statements. So as you can see there, negation Q, our Q there is, it is raining. So it will become, it is not raining. Next po, P and S. So P, today is Friday. And S, I am not going to the basketball game. Alright? So mapapansin nyo, ang kanilang connective there is and. Next, R, or negation S. So, I am going, so our R there is I am going to watch a movie. Or I am going to the basketball game. So, yung S natin doon ay may not yung given. So, nilagay natin yung negation S. So, tatanggalin na natin yung not. Okay? So, it will become, I am going to watch a movie or I am going to the basketball game. Okay? Next example here is, ayan. Convert the following compound statement to logical connectives again. So, let P be the sun is shining. Let Q be it is raining. And let R the ground is wet. Write each of the following statements in symbolic form using P, Q, and R. So the given statement here is if it is raining, ano yung raining natin? Is Q. Then the sun is not shining. So as you can see there, meron po siyang P. Actually, ayan. So, yung P natin is the sun is shining, pero ang nilagay na given is may not. So, lalagyan nyo ngayon ng negation yung P. So, if it is raining, then the sun is not shining. So, Q, arrowhead, going to negation P. Next, it is raining and the ground is wet. So, we have here Q, it is raining, and the ground is wet. Ayan po. Yung symbol niya, nasa right side po. So, Q and R. Next, last example. The ground is wet. So, R. If and only if it is raining. So, ayan yung Q. So, if and R, if only if Q. So, yan po ang kanilang symbols. Alright? So, ayan, thank you so much po. Thank you so much po, everyone. So, I am hoping na mayroon po kayo natutunan ngayon po sa aking video tutorial about logical connectives. Thank you so much po.